Yeah. Sambasiva.
Actually,
Yeah. No, Lucky. Yeah. What you are telling is right. This internship.
this is an internship program. It won't add any weightage for scale 2. Even we are not qualify for minimum qualifications for scale 2.
Mm,
After completing this program and absorbing as PO, after completing 2 years work as PO, then we are eligible for scale 2. This
yeah.
is what I.
Yeah. Yeah. Not. But he is talking about you are switching over from Federal Bank to IBPS, RRB, PO like that. But
Sir,
even there, you have to serve as PO for say minimum 2 to 3 years. Then only you will be
yes,
considered eligible. This internship experience will not be taken into account. But while this internship experience may not be counted, it will give you job experience by sitting
yes,
at
sir,
home.
definitely.
By sitting at home, we cannot learn anything. Whereas by going out for shop or the bank, you can learn a lot. So that is the experience.
And
So
one more thing, sir, in
yeah.
every bank, separate verticals are there like forex, treasury, credit department. Apart from this, we have personal loan, home loan, and
Mm,
property, and some other loan is there.
mm,
When a person on his basis of work in after joining as an intern,
mm,
if he posted in forex department, then need not to be worry.
mm,
Why? Because there is no sales in forex,
mm,
no sales in forex, no sales in treasury.
mm,
If he's gone through with that experience,
mm,
he may go to other bank like ICICI or Axis or HDFC after completion of these 2 years.
mm.
This will be an advantage.
Correct. Good. So the
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, this is Shiva, sir.
yeah, it all depends on the battery. It all depends on the family circumstances. If your family really needs this job, you will take it up wholeheartedly. But if your family doesn't need this job, majority of us may not take it if family doesn't need it. But I know by bec- I have been talking to you people for last 20 days. I know majority of us like a job that is there in public sector bank where more no responsibility is put on you for canvassing of deposits or accounts. But that is a different, even there, though responsibility is not given, they are being compelled to go out and do it. Target is not, you cannot be sent out, but even there people have to go out for canvassing of deposits, canvassing of new accounts. That is the order of the day. So
Yes.
is there anybody whose daddy is in sales? Is there anybody whose father or brother is in sales? And you can try to share their experience so that we can learn from that. For example, I came across here one, please note down, I will put it in our Telegram group. I will post it in our Telegram group. Another one. This is like this. 7 common sense ways to increase bank cross selling. Number 1, start with the lowest hanging fruit. Number 2, stay connected. Number 3, continually evaluate upsell opportunities. Number 4, empower your customer facing employees. Number 5, ask for referrals. Number 6, leverage offline and online channels. Number 7, measure and reward what you want done. So I am not going into the details of this. I request you to go through that independently. And if you have any doubts, you can always ask me tomorrow when we meet again. So that way we can see. I have seen people who are coming out successful from scratch. From scratch. I know a person who studied BSc and he was not applying for bank jobs. He went, he in those days, the advertisements used to be put on the notice board of the bank. People will go and take down notes of the points and then apply. Seeing that, this person decided, why not we give them typed matter, cyclostyled matter. He started doing cyclostyled matter, selling it to them for 50 paise in those days. And now he is running a company known as Sakti Publications Limited in Chennai, doing business in crores. He initially started with cyclostyling business. Then he started printing out application, selling out in different shops like that. So likewise, the opportunities, we have to find out that this is the opportunity and try to do our best. I hope, are you understanding my point?
Yes,
Creativity,
sir.
creativity is what is more important. Once, you see, there was a company known as Indian Oxygen. Indian Oxygen, they used to sell one product, their waste products. They used to sell their waste products to people, and they used to give money to the contractors for taking all the waste products. This boy was working as a clerk there. He saw what was that product. That was calcium, calcium carbide or calcium something, which is useful in that face talcum powder industry. So after a few days, this clerk told, sir, why are you giving money to that person to take away the goods? I will buy the product. I will pay you money and take the goods. And he started taking out the goods like that. And from that, he started selling it to talcum powder companies, and he developed his business like anything. If he was working in Indian Oxygen, he became an entrepreneur later on himself. Likewise, we have lot of examples. Like there is one boy by name Sharat Kumar. He studied MBA in Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. His mother was selling idli. You know idli, South Indian food. She was manufacturing, making idlis and selling to people. And he was a very good, intelligent boy. He studied in BITS Pilani. Later on, joined IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad, he was offered salary for 1 crore. He did not join that. He started an industry for selling goods, say the food to people working in offices. And there it helped him improve his business. He is doing very well. Likewise, if you really want to improve in sales, you should try to know about the strategy of people who have come out successful in life, who have come out. For example, you take this Bijus. How successful are they? An academy, how successful are they, and how they are able to do this? Because they take it up with sincere attempts and they try different but of course business is risky. But of course successful people are only 2%. 98% people fail. That is also a case. But here you are not directly involving in business. You are canvassing business for somebody whose product has been branded already. So from there you get experience, and you can go into some other area also later on. So this is my observation. I would like people to react on this.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Yeah. Shiva, any points you would like to say?
Yes, sir. Actually, if I see the previous banks, ICICI, HDFC, compared to that sales target is very less in this Federal Bank, sir. Compared to the sales target, because the branches are less compared to that all. So definitely the sales pressure is also very less. So in order to moreover that, sir, compared to the branch operation, the sales is very good for a good opportunity for a career growth purpose also. Even I see that my colleagues which are working in their RMs, like a sales officers, so definitely they will get a more salary incentives only.
Yeah.
They will getting a 3 months 2 lakhs, sir, actually.
No, but
they are doing incentives.
In this recruitment, there are too many points. One is it is an internship program. Then next one, you will be selected after some grade, first 2 grades only.
Sir,
2, 3.
assistant manager.
No. Here
Yeah,
your
2 grades.
2 grades, A and B grades only will be selected. So initially, when I read this advertisement, I read it like this, that they will select only 2 people for
2 candidates.
recruitment. That was a mistake. Later on, someone among you only clarified first 2 grades. So that is okay. That is one hurdle. Number 2, after joining, you must prove your merit. You must perform well. And for that, are you willing to talk to people freely? Are you willing to request others? It is nothing like less than requesting others, persuading others. Yeah, that is the main thing,
Begin.
with nothing else. But majority of us, including myself, are brought up by our parents. You are the only child. You are the best child. I like you.
Mhm.
You should not do anything. So they have brought up like this. With the result, we are not competent enough to talk to others, to convince them. Now, please react on this point. Jishnu, please react.
Sir, yes, sir. As you mentioned, we should be open to requesting others.
Ah,
So I think
no,
it
no,
is the
no.
best thing.
Yeah, no, see, when you look at it straight away, it is similar to somebody asking for help without his being directly related to you. It is like that, but you are doing it as a profession. For example, Geo TV, Geo phones, his father, what is his name? Ambani. He came from abroad. At that time,
Dhirubhai Ambani.
Dhirubhai Ambani. At that time, people criticized him. Why are you leaving a good job? For that matter, take our own Tamil Nadu, Rajanikanth. Rajanikanth was a conductor in Bengaluru transport. When he was about to resign from that job, people criticized him. Why are you leaving a permanent job? And why are you wanting to go into as a cine field? And now he is successful. So it's a risky job. Your joining here is a risky job, but are you willing to take that risk? That is where the question lies. Yeah. Now, you can practice selling the products. For example, uh, say Android Blue Droid. Are you there online? Android. Realme, are you there online?
Yes, sir.
Android Blue Droid. Please sell one water bottle which costs 20 rupees, and please try to sell it to the group. This is a very famous question. Selling water bottle.
Hello.
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 Yes, tell me.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible, audible.
Okay, sir. Aditi here.
Yeah.
So I am going to sell this water bottle.
Hmm.
So as we know that our human body is made up of 70% water. So water is a very essential for our health. And nowadays we see that the diseases like corona and all dengue, dengue as well as malaria are spread by what unhygienic, or what we can say unhygienic water. So it is important to choose a healthy and guaranteed product for
you,
our health.
you can talk in your language also, Hindi or Marathi also. Nope. They are permitting you to talk in local language also. Hello.
Haan, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which language you feel better, Hindi or English? Say Marathi, you can choose that.
Hindi.
हिंदी, करेक्ट. हिंदी में बोलिए. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं अभी? क्या बिक्री करना चाहते हैं?
Water bottle.
अच्छा बताइए, ये वाटर बॉटल हम लोग क्यों खरीदना है? इसका प्लस पॉइंट क्या है?
वाटर बॉटल का प्लस पॉइंट
This is how
I don't
customers
know
will
how
ask
to
you.
say.
Customers will ask you like this only. And the interviewer will ask like this only. Are, why should I buy this water bottle from you? Why not I buy it from Dan Shri? Why not I
Because
buy
this
it
is
from Swapnil? अब बताइए हमको.
sir, this is the best product, and we are doing well in market from last 10 to 15 years. So we are very reputed in this field, and this water will rejuvenate you. So this is a good for your health, and if you buy this in bulk quantity, so you will get this within a very cheap rate. Oh, and this is a product you if you go anywhere in your local area, you can easily get this. So
अच्छा,
availability of this product is very good in
अच्छा,
market.
you have more sellers available.
Sorry, sir.
Sellers are there, more sellers are there. Your distribution arrangement is good. That's what you are telling.
Yes, sir. So this is not problematic for you to buy anywhere, because uh, sometimes it happens like if we change our water, so we may be suffer by various disease or that. So you
No,
can get this water bottle anywhere.
will you deliver it at our home? Home delivery is there for this.
Yes, sir. We also provide home delivery also.
So
You just need to fill this form, so we can
अच्छा,
deliver this product
no
at
no,
your home.
फॉर्म भी जरूरत नहीं जी, because फॉर्म भरने तो समय लगेगा. People are not willing to write anything. Oh, they would like to take it by just phone call only or message only. आजकल the date is, I mean, days are running very fast. People don't have time to fill up the forms. Everything is done on app. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So very good. Now we will talk to Swapnil Garde. Swapnil Garde, आप हमको ये वाटर ये पेन को बिक्री कर दीजिए. This is a pen. No, actually in these problems you should try to give plus points about the product. Aditi, see in what way your product is good. Number one, it is very pure, it is purely hygienic, and it is coming from Himalayas. Something like that you should add and then tell. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir. Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Swapnil Garde, can you sell the pen to others? You must convince Dan Shri to buy this pen from you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Can I speak in Hindi, sir?
Yeah, you can speak in Hindi. Because selling only.
हेलो एवरीवन. ये जो पेन है, आपको पता है आजकल के लाइफ में अपने को पेन की कितनी जरूरत है, और सब तरफ पेन मिलते हैं, लेकिन ये पेन कुछ अलग है. इसकी प्राइस एज कंपेयर टू अदर पेन्स कम है, और और अगर आप ये पेन लेंगे तो इसके साथ आपको एक फ्री भी आएगा. बाय वन गेट वन ऑफर चालू है यहाँ पे, और आप ये पेन लीजिए, एक बार यूज करके देखिए, और ये पेन सब पेनों से अलग है और अच्छा है. ओके सर.
That's all. Acha. Now, Lucky, can you sell this pen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I can. Where it is a ballpoint pen, your handwriting will be smoother. You can experience a smoother performance with this pen, and you can write around 10,000 word this pen when we compared with another Montex or Reynolds pen, which is available in market, and the price of this product is also cheaper than the same product available in the market.
That's all.
That's it, sir. I can add up these points only.
Oh,
And we can get some, by using this pen you can get some good smell from from the gel also.
acha, it's scented.
Scented one. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
It's a
It's a
scented one. Scented one.
Scented.
Okay. Sambasiva, can you try? Sambasiva Ava.
Yes, sir.
Can you sell this pen to others?
Yes, sir. Actually, it is a new company related SS Prime Pen.
Hmm.
We are SS Prime Pen. We are introduced recently in this country.
Hmm.
Now we are providing very less price.
Hmm.
It has many advantages, like it is a nice grip,
Hmm.
and we have use and throw pens and refilled pens. Those you want, which you want, you can choose. You can take the use and throw pens, or you can take refill pens, and it will be very scented and it is a good grip. And sometimes you can also in these products we have dual refill pins also, like red, black, red, green, and you can satisfy with this product. Yes, sir.
No, but one thing, while selling, we should not use the word sometimes and all that. Sometimes means you are not sure about it, for you are not giving it for all times to come. So try to avoid words which are ambiguous in nature. But selling, see, I have to tell you, if you attend my class, all of you will get selected. I'm not telling that, don't. Then only people will be coming to attend the class. Do you follow what I say? But I will not say so on my class, because selection depends on one's own ability. दिमाग में जो लिखा है उसका बारे में है, and also how keen are you in joining the services? Okay, so I will not promise like that. So anything that we are selling, we must sell it with confidence.
Okay.
Yeah, a cine producer makes out a film thinking that it is going to hit 175 days. It may run for 17 days only, that is different. But he has to make it with that in mind. Otherwise, it cannot be successful. Yeah. Anybody else would like to speak some points? Srinidhi Singanamalli.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any points you would like to add on this?
Sir, should I give a description regarding this pen?
Yeah.
Okay. So the pen is actually so this is a very really nice pen. One second. So this is a very nice pen. So the very speciality of this pen is its holding capacity. You can just see the nib over here. So it's very the nib is very very nice one. It's a very sharp one, and it writes with a very nice flow. First thing, and it's even if you look at the body over here, so it's a very nice body. And when you hang it near to your this thing, this shirt thing, this thing, it looks very nice.
Yeah.
So henceforth, this is a very good pen for anybody who is writing, who wants to write or do anything. It can also be used as the purpose for decoration for one's shirt. So hence, somebody has to purchase this pen. It's a really good pen. So this is my opinions.
Yeah, good. But one thing, you are using words like good really quite often.
Okay, sir.
Really quite often. But the way you started, I thought you are going to tell so many points. Actually, this exercise is known as brainstorming. Have you heard about the concept brainstorming? Yes. Yeah. Brainstorming means what? Thinking about a point and trying to tell different ideas about it. For example, in classes when I used to conduct, I used to ask them to give brainstorming on uses of a black lead pencil. Uses of a black lead pencil. See, normally if we are asked to tell, we will tell 3 or 4 uses. But in classes, when I asked to give them like this, we used to collect more than 50 to 60 uses For example, a black lead pencil.
Okay, sir.
Can we try that now? Please go ahead. Nobody should think whether it is a good use or bad use. Nobody should criticize others. Come out freely with your ideas of, say, uses of a black lead pencil. Yeah. Now, first we will go one by one. Whatever chance
Okay,
your
sir.
turn comes, you should come out with as many ideas as possible. We will start.
Okay, sir.
We will start with Srinidhi. Start.
Sir, black lead, sir.
Yeah.
So as you are telling, so it's a black lead. So black lead basically it consists of if we have to speak of the scientific properties regarding the black lead, it consists of the lead thing. So the lead is basically a form of carbon which has a
Stop. Not started well. Sambasiva.
Okay.
Sambasiva. Uses of black lead pencil.
I will try later, sir.
Later. Lucky. Uses of black lead pencil. Lucky.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah. Aditi.
Yes, sir. Black lead pencil is very useful to highlight important words or important sentence of our notebook or our sheet. So
Okay.
having a black pencil is very useful to highlight or to remember any important word during our study time or etc. So
I wanted uses. I am not interested in sentences. I want uses. Yeah.
The black lead pencil can be used in engineering drawing. Major advantage is
No,
engineering drawing.
stop with that.
Okay.
Engineering drawing. Next use.
Okay.
Next use. Hello, Lucky. Engineering drawing. Next one. Come on, quick.
Sir, black lead. Hello, black lead pencil. Black lead pencil have eraser also at their.
Good. Next use. Come on.
Side.
Next use. Next.
Sir, since the page is black, so the writing with the black lead would be highlighted a lot.
Okay. Next. Lucky.
You can if you have siblings, so you can give this pencil to them also. So you can use this pencil as a gift.
Good point. Next point. Come on, quick. Don't take so much time. Swapnil, come out with ideas quickly. Hello. Here the uses are 50 uses are there. A black lead pencil can be used to write, can be used to draw, can be used to scratch your head, can be used to scratch your ears, can be used to scratch your backs, can be used to test your strength, can be used to throw at others, can be used as a gift, can be used to burn it. Could you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
So that is creativity. That is salesmanship. Aditi, you may be laughing at this, but this is what it is. You can test the strength of a person by adding so many pencils. And you can spend your time simply wasting time by screwing it, going on cutting it like this. So many uses are there for black lead pencil. This is
Sir, even we can check its tensile strength.
Yeah, Sambasiva, you studied MBA. You must have had similar exercises in your class where you must have come out with so many ideas. Why are you not having confidence to speak? Sambasiva.
Actually, the MBA is not regular, sir.
MBA regular, na?
Not regular.
Oh, not regular. Correspondence.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that is why you don't know. Correct. So this is what is known as brainstorming. See, actually, a company was incurring lot of losses. So what they did, in order to find out ways for coming out of it, they conducted a brainstorming session by asking people from different walks of life, a housewife, a lawyer, a doctor, an engineer, a school student. Everybody was asked to be present and they were asked to give the various views, and they could come out with different ideas which in the routine course would not have happened. So this is the strategy adopted by companies when they are asking you, I like Hammam because you write. They are trying to get ideas from you. So this is selling. Selling is not an easy thing, but it is an interesting thing. But you must have, but it is not easy to sell. It is not easy to sell. I know, I have had experience. Way back about 30 years ago, first time when bank exams were there, I made question paper for this, printed out, got it done by a person known to me. I wanted him to sell it. I told him, let us go to the place where training programs are being conducted, exhibit there and sell it. It was not that easy. It was not going. Nobody was willing to buy it. In those days, only 3 rupees. Then, but on the other hand, another strategy helped me. I wrote books for bank promotion examinations. So in those days, what we did, we sent postcard to various bank branches, and that helped us to bring lot of sales. We could sell in those days 9,000 copies or so. So it all depends on how we try to market our products. Could you understand, Aditi? Could you follow what I say? But पहले आपका you must have confidence in your efforts. Yeah. Now, Sambasiva, you must have confidence in whatever you are doing. You should not think, I did correspondence MBA, so I am not that very efficient. No, you are also efficient.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let us all be prepared for questions like this. Introduce yourself. Tell us about your family background. Then why sales job? Why Federal Bank? Why we will be sending you out after 6 months if your performance is not all right. You have to pay 1 lakh. Are you willing for that? Then selling a chair, selling other products. This is what the type of questions they will be asking you. And maximum, if they want to ask, some places they may ask about your projects. What is the project you have done? What is the project you have done? And about your degree and all that. So the course of the interview is completely different from what we were attempting. It is completely different. I was trying to tell you about personality oriented questions that may be of help for you, but not anything related to banking or not much related to current affairs also. They are not asking that. So be ready, prepare yourself for that. So when you come to me for mock interview also, I will ask only under these lines, checking your ability to sell yourself, marketing yourself. Okay. Srinidhi, any point you would like to say? Singanamalli.
Sir, no, sir. I completely agree with you.
Yeah. Samba Shiva, Cheppandi.
Sir, like general question, if we not
general questions can be there, very few. Very few. Why do you want to come to Federal Bank? What do you know about Federal Bank? These questions can be asked. In the last PO interview, they were asking like that. Rarely they were asking, are you willing to take up sales job? I am talking about campus recruitment of direct recruitment as probationary officers. In that, majority of the questions were relating to their degree subject, banking, and a few questions were related to they're asking, are you willing to take up sales job? Will you be willing to relocate yourself? This sort of questions they were asking. Here they are asking differently. Yeah.
Sir, they really remove if we not good in sales.
Here, I think they are, if they will not ask you if you are not interested in sales, they will not take you.
So after if we join in sales,
Hmm.
if we not in good sales
They will
on
send,
duty,
they will send you out.
okay.
Yeah, that is what many banks are say, even now ICICI and all, but there the number of people sent out are less. They will give you lot of opportunities. Come on, do this, do that, like that. Yeah, Lucky, any points you would like to say? Thank you, Lucky.
Sir, there is,
Yeah,
hello.
Swapnil. Yeah,
Sir, there is no need of current affair.
I won't say no need of current affairs, but our knowing current affairs is not a negative point. आप जान के जाइएगा, पूछने से बताइएगा, ना पूछने से तो बढ़िया है.
Sir, the panel is differ from state to state. We don't know HR, what is
that-
HR thinking.
That is again another thing.
Yes.
Is some people they may ask, some people they may not ask questions relating to banking. Maybe tomorrow, day after, when we come across, we will come to know of it.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Lucky, for sharing.
Sir,
the
I
question.
want to ask one question.
Yeah.
Sir, now we have idea that the work profile is some about sales and all. So I want to ask, after 2 years, the work profile will be same for PO also?
Not necessarily. After you are being made into a regular assistant manager, you may be given, say, 30%, 40% canvassing work, and balance is official work. See, sales will be there as long as you are in the bank nowadays. Till you are retiring, you have to be selling. Maybe you will be selling more or less. After some time, you may be in a commanding position to ask others to sell it. But you must like talking to others. You must like convincing others. Then take up this job. Otherwise, join as a clerk in IBPS jobs, State Bank clerk job, or some other clerk job. If you are not interested in canvassing, if you are not interested in talking to others, the best job is joining in Staff Selection Commission, government grade, and bank clerk job, where you will be talking to computer only, not talking to people. Very rarely you'll be talking to people. Do you understand what I say? No,
Computerized life will be there.
yeah, you will be talking to computer only. And if somebody comes and talks, you will put your head down and you will not listen to them also. That is a bank clerk's profile. No, I'm not criticizing them, but only bank clerk job is one that is not target oriented. Every other job is target oriented and communication oriented. Then you
Sir,
join.
and
Yeah.
here I would like to add 2 points. As Federal Bank is member of IIB, you will get the same pay scale as nationalized bank.
Correct.
Point number 1. Point number 2, you will get chances for writing JIIB and CIIB. If you are gone through them, you will get increments.
Correct.
We have to keep these points in mind when we are interested to join this program. After completing the program and we are in top 2 grades as observed as PO, then all are beneficial. You will draw same salary as SBI PO. Same. Even you will get some more incentives in this bank.
10 lakhs, I think. Once you become a PO, you get 10 lakhs.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. Anytime this may stop. I wish you all the best. Maybe if time permits, we will meet tomorrow. If you all come, maybe free talk like this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye. And for
Bye.
some
Bye-bye.
people, I've given interview time. I will call them. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. It's nice
Good night, all.
talking. Good night.
Sir, actually, I have interview on tomorrow. So,
Acha, if you want to take mock interview, please message me in
Yes.
WhatsApp.
okay, sir.
Message me in WhatsApp. I will do it. For me, daytime only. I can talk to you
So-
for any number of hours.
Okay, so, okay, sir.